So hey, what's up everyone? This is to be back here with another video. So yeah, and guess what? Not just one, but two swag kits straight from the Google I have received today. Yeah, you heard that right, from Google itself. Yeah, so let's unbox this. Yeah, first from the back we have this RK standard backpack. As you can see here, this spacious and stylish. And guess what? Inside this backpack, there's more swags. Yes. So let's get into it. So first we have this Google Standard pen, yes. And next we have the Arcade Astronaut t-shirt. Yes, it looks comfy and stylish as you can see here. Yes, this looks really good. I just love it. This is a darkish color. So as you can see the black color, yeah, and also printed Google Cloud here. So yeah, and the back also be written Google Cloud Arcade. Yes. And now check this out. Yes, the Arcade Sip It coffee mug. Yes. Now, this is not just any mug. It's a vacuum insulated spill proof masterpiece. Yes. What makes it so cool? It's got a special suction base that lets it stick firmly to flat surfaces like desk, tables, or even glass as well. Yes, you can try to nudge it, bump it, even hit it from the inside and it will not fall over. Seriously, no more spills on your keyboard or notes. But when you want to pick it up, just lift it straight up and it comes off effortlessly. Clean, simple, smart. Now moving on to the second Google Swag Kick. Yes. First up, we have got the Google Cloud Premium Backpack. And let me tell you, this thing is solid. Premium quality, tons of space, and built for tech lovers like yours. Yes. Inside the bag, we have got more swags waiting to be unboxed. So, let's check them out one by one. But hey, that's not all. Here is a cool bonus. At the bottom, there is even a built-in rain protection cover. Yes, if it weather turns wild, just pull it out and boom. And now let's unbox these swags as well. So, the first we have this Google Cloud Premium Pen set. And yo, these are not just regular pens. Both are stylus pens. So you can write on paper and tap on your devices effortlessly. Super clean and tech friendly for sure. Oh yeah. And now moving on to the Google Cloud hoodie. Yes, super comfy and perfect for Google Cloud vibe in style. Yes. It's super cool. Color is also be good and the quality. It's really amazing. I love this quality and after wearing it, it suits me well. And it's perfectly fit in me. And yes, it's super cool. I love it. I really love this. Now check this out. The Google Cloud Sip Sync. This one is a real game changer. Vacuum insulated to keep your beverages hot or cold for hours. And it is got the smart suction base. Stick it on any flat surface and it will not tip over, bump proof, spill proof, but lift it straight up and it comes off easy. Ingenious design. And yeah, then we have got the Google Cloud laptop stand. Yes, lightweight, sturdy, on a perfect addition to my workspace. Gives that clean look, better posture, and helps keep the device cool too. Yes. But if you are using a 15 or 16-inch device, it might be a bit tight or feel a little small. Just something to keep in mind. I tried it out with my Windows 14-inch laptop and as well the MacBook 13-inch. And yeah, both fits really well. So yeah, this is about to not for the big laptops definitely, but yeah, for the lower one like 13 or 14-inch laptop, it is really good. So how did I get all these amazing swags? So actually, I have participated in the Google Cloud Arcade Challenge and let me tell you, it's been a blast. Yes, these items were part of the rewards from the Google Challenge. Yes, a big thank you to Google team for sending over such cool stuff. Yes, so have a great day. Bye bye.